how to crop image. These are all separate images. For example, see this, it is one image, this is another image, this is another, this is another. Okay, now I create a new slide here. Just insert any picture here. Here I insert two pictures. Okay, now I need this area only. Then how to do? See this? Just double click and go to crop. Then choose the area which you need. Okay, then again click on crop. That's all. Or otherwise, double click, go to crop. Here choose crop to shape. For example, I want this image in this type. Okay, like you can crop. Now I create a new slide here. Now I insert some objects here. Go to insert and pictures in desktop. Okay, now arrange all these images. Okay, select all these things and align left and align top. Okay, now click on this image and go to crop. Here crop to shape and choose this. Okay, now I need quarter of this object. Okay, and I click on this image. Again I go to crop to shape. I choose this and now I need quarter. Now I click on this third image and I go to crop and crop to shape. I click on this object and I go to crop and crop to shape and I choose this. Increase the size. And also I can rotate. That's all. Okay, likewise by using this crop option you can create a colorful border to a slide. Then how to do? Create a new slide here, insert a picture here, picture, desktop. I choose this. Okay, now double click on this picture and go to crop to shape. Here I choose this. Okay, now I fill this shape to this slide. Now I can increase the width of the border. Okay, likewise I can increase or decrease the border. Okay, and now I insert another object here, another picture, and I choose this. Okay, click on this object and go to crop to shape, and you can choose arrow, and you can increase the width and the size of the arrow by dragging this point. Okay, I guess you can do a lot of things by using cropping option. And next is drawing new object. How to draw an object using PowerPoint.